Morning everyone, welcome to this session number 301, and today I will continue with the problem that yesterday I tried to resolve. This is the problem. Find the peak element. A peak element it's a peak number is a number that where the neighbors are minor than the element. For example, in this case, this is a peak element because the one in the left it's minor, and the other element that it's another one it's minor to 2. Yeah, in this case this is the peak element, and we should return the index of any peak element because could appear more that one peak element. It's okay, we only need return only one. And the other is that we need to consider that when you are when you are in the here or here, you don't have more elements in the right side. In this case, don't have more elements here and don't have more elements here. You can consider this. Yeah, okay. Now yesterday I have this code, but currently I have the problem that this reach a value less 1. Yeah, and in this case, oh, what is the chat? One moment, because I don't know what happened with the chat here in the OBS. What? Okay, now I think that it's right the idea, but let me remove this. The first point is that I need to simplify this because, for example, this case is new, right? Let me do again here. Okay. Here, and remove these values and only handle the index. Integrate a new left, it's equal mid less 1, and integrate new right, it's equal mid plus 1. Yeah, because if we are here, the left is basically less 1, this, and the right means that plus 1. Okay, plus 1. Okay, now yeah, we should validate this case. In this case is nums in mid, yeah, it's greater than nums in left, and this should be greater than the right number. Okay, in this case return mid, and that's it. Now here we need validate. If we remember yesterday, we noticed that this case, for example, okay, what is my example here? My example is 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 6, 4. Yeah, and the index, let me put here 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and we start in a half. Well, ignore this code, but we start here in the half, and we get this value and this value. This is L, this is right, and this is mid. And the first that I was thinking that previously I had this operation as R less L, but it's wrong because if works only in the first iteration, should we have this add operation? Yeah, R plus L. Yeah, because in this case, for example, is 4 plus 1 plus 2. 4 plus 2 it's equal 6, between 2 it's equal 3, this is a half. Yeah, this is the operation. But well, the first is validate L and R are minor to 3. Well, only the L, but the R is greater. Yeah, means that we need in this case, I'm not sure, maybe for example this is wrong. We had a half of the, yeah, do you imagine that we will ignore this subarray and only keep with this? In this way, let me write here the conditioner. In this case is nums. Okay, sorry. It's a little noisy here. But well, left, what is left? Oh my gosh. If no, it's new left, it's new right. Yeah, basically with this, I have the idea, okay, please detect what is which subarray contains the half of the condition. Yeah. Okay, output less one. Okay. Yeah, my idea, let me explain this here. I'm not sure if it's right, but I am trying to discover. Here is that and I will use another color here. Yeah, currently the L is this, the first time is this, and this is right. The half should we have this? Okay, got it. Now and is basically 6 plus 0 between 2 it's equal 3. Yeah, this is the mid, this is the mid, this is the new left and new right. Okay, we can ignore this. Okay, now here we need ask mid is greater that L and R. No, because mid is greater than this, but not is greater than 5. Okay, in this case we have this validation. If mid it's minor to right, that is in this case, because 3 is minor to 5, yeah, means that we have this subarray. What means a half of the answer? A half of the answer is that the peak element should have a peak element is a number that the previous or the neighbors, in this case the left, should be minor to the number, and the right should be minor to this number. And in this case, with this validation, we have this a half of the result, because basically 3 is minor to 5. This is very possible that this 5 could be a big number. Yeah, this is my idea behind this. But now I'm not sure here. Well, no, it's 0. Result is equal this. Oh my gosh. Okay, I will come on, I need more test. Oh yeah, for example 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 should be return 0. Okay, it's wrong when don't have any peak element. No, but the peak element could be, should we have this? What is wrong here? Because this works only when is this and this, when the yeah, but when we don't have any element, yeah, but what happens when we have one 1 2 3 1 2 3 only that? Yeah, the same error, and it's because it's necessary contemplate the last one. Yeah, because for example in this case the peak element should be this 3 because the previous is 2, it's minor, and the next according of the description is always minor, that this element that how let me yeah, it's because keep well, in this case this is it's not necessary this. Mm-hmm. Stack overflow error. Let me check. Yeah, no, it's keep in the same. Yeah, it's a cyclic process. But why? Oh, this is wrong because should be new right, and this is new right. Okay, mid to the right. No, it's okay. Oh my god, what is? I think that I'm near to complete because it's only this case when don't have yeah, it's only with this. Why go to okay? To receive for example for this case 1 to 3. I will copy and okay. Yeah, if we start here, the L right 0, 1, 2, and the first is calculate mid. Mid it's equal right plus L between 2. In this case, replacing is 0 plus 0. 3 plus 0 between 2 it's equal 1. Okay, mid it's equal 1, and new left it's equal 1 less 1 it's 0. Yeah, and new right it's equal 1 plus 1 it's equal 1. Yeah, this new left, new right. Okay, and now it's validate 2 is greater than 1 and 2 is greater than 3. No, because it's only true the first conditional. Okay, means that we need we have this validation of yeah, if the right number, in this case 3, is greater than 2, yeah, in this case is true. Okay, in this case is true. This if is true. Okay, we should send mid and error. Here with mid, no mid and error. That means that we only take the first of this side. Okay, and when entry again 2 3, yeah, this is our L, this is our right, and is calculate another integer mid, it's equal 3 plus 2 between 2, this is 5 between 2 is, well, it's 2. Okay, this is our mid, and here is new L, it's equal 2 less 1, it's equal 2 less 1, it's equal 1, and new right, it's equal 2 plus 1, it's equal 3. But this is wrong because it doesn't exist, because it's only 1, 0, 1, and 2. And this, the first point, this yeah, I am thinking in this, why still counting this number? If new L it's equal L, it's for this, but I don't know, because the first iteration is okay, but the second start in the position 0 1 2 here less 1, okay, it's okay this, but the next doesn't exist, this doesn't exist. Let me check. 1 2 3, new right is 2 0 1 2. Okay, this is the first iteration. Now the second iteration is that only, yeah, L is this, right is this, in new right it's the same that got it here. Yeah, for this reason is still with the process, because here is basically well, is if new right it's equal right, no, it's more if right it's equal length, yeah, the final element, don't use this value use in this case integer with max value. Okay, and it's so similar with the other. If this parameter, it's equal, oh my gosh, here, mm, 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 mm. I am thinking if R it's equal this, but L the first time is 0. The, I was thinking in when the R it's equal the length, but it's grown because the first time happened this case. It's more that if new right it's equal to right, or in another cases, if L is equal a new left, means that we are um, in the in the age, yeah. And okay, here for this validation maybe it's is better calculate. M it's equal, well, this don't change, integer TL it's equal, and here is, no, I was thinking in Kotlin. Here is TL it's equal to, if L it's equal to new left, then integer dot mean value, other case is nums in the index this, and is similar with the other here, temporal right it's equal right, and here replace for TL the right, and this is replaced for M. No, even this is not necessary, only with this. Hmm. My gosh. Mm, okay, in this case, it's wrong, and I'm sure that is for this number. Let me check only with this value. Yeah, it's for this. Basically, when it's age, we need add plus one in the number. Uh, okay, I will add a ternary operator here, but I'm sure that it's possible to do it another way. But well, plus, and in this case, TL, it's equal to this, or T right it's equal to this. If this is one of both is true, please is this. In other case, is zero. Ah, mid plus mid. Mm-mm. No, this is wrong. I don't know what is my error. I'm not sure. In this case, uh, this is wrong because here all the time we are return. Okay, in this problem, 1, 2, 3. Let me check. We have 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, receive the 0, receive 2 as error, and mid is basically 0, 1 here. The left, the right. I am. It's possible to have the R and L in the same position, because, for example, when, let me check the size of the elements, it's at least one. What happens when it's only a single number? Here, for example, should return the first, well, the 0. Yeah, and it's wrong, because basically L and R are the same. Yeah, 0 and 0. In this case, when L is equal R, we can return any of the both, because it's 0 is the only, the index 0 is the only index, and the L and R are the same. We only should return the anyone. In this case is L. Okay. Now here, if we have 1, 2, 3, okay, in the L it's in the 1, the right is in the 3, and half is the number 2. Okay, we apply this operation. The 2 is not greater than the number 3. Okay, we should take only this side of the subarray, and in this case, yeah, because in this case, for example, when we have this number, could happen this case where this that the value is still in the same position, because, for example, if we have 1, 2, 3, this is the mid, discard this substring, yeah, and only we have this. In this case, discard this substring, and only we have and the final one element. Yeah, and I find that this is the result. It means that this is not necessary, and this is not necessary too. New right. When the mid is minor, when, for example, here this is the mid is minor to this, we should ignore. No. Mid. This is not used anymore, and this is the same. This is mid plus 1. to the right. Come on, why? Today is the same problem that yesterday. Is this find the peak element? Currently, I have okay this test only when you don't have, for example, you have an increased sequence 1 to 3. I have problem because basically our peak number is this, because the previous is minor and the next for the foul is minor 2. But I am trying to discover why here. I'm not sure. When the right side it's greater than the current, for example in this case this is greater than 2, we should take this substring, ignore the 1, and when start again, this L is the value of 1, the index 1, and R is the index 2. L it's equal R, no. In this case, mid it's equal 1 plus 2 is 3, between 2 is 1, it's still here in the L. Oh my god. I feel that I am close to get the answer, but what happened if I change this conditional? In this I put less 1. For example, we start here, this is our mid. Mid is the first validation is the right is greater than this, yeah. Mid reduce, no, is increase for the positive way is this, and here is this. Basically with this we have our mid is this, it is the number 2, sorry, and we need as 3 is greater than mid, yeah, okay. Same this value, yeah, because here for example, do you imagine that you have this string, this array, okay, and you can see that the answer here is the number 3, right? Because the previous is minor 2, it's minor to 3, yeah, and 3 is greater than the next element that doesn't exist, but for the foul it's minor, yeah. Do you imagine that it's less 1, for example? Okay, now the first time we start here, this is our L and this is our R, and it's basically 0, 1, 2, and for calculate mid it's equal 2 plus 0, between 2 it's equal 1, okay, and we have this validation. If mid value it's minor to the right value, in this case for example 3 is greater than 2, yeah, we should ignore completely this subarray, yeah. This is completely complete ignore and only keep with this section, yeah. And when go again to the recursive function, L and R are the same, and we should return L, that in this case is the number 3, yeah. Even if we have more elements here, let me put here, for example, 1, 3, 4, 2, 8, 7. Oh my god. Okay, only in this. Okay, in this case, for example, L right 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. and the first time L is 0 and right is 4. 4 plus 0 between 2 it's equal to, mid it's equal to, and we are here, okay, and we need to ask 4 it's minor to 2. Yeah, this is the first if. No, else is basically this. We can pass the 0 and we only take this subarray and this is ignored. Yeah. And now in this section we need ask again 0. No, sorry. The R is this and this is L. Is 2 plus 0 between 2 it's equal 1. Okay, we are here in the half and we need ask 3 it's minor to 4. That is the first conditional here. In this case, yeah, we should return, or L is basically this. Oh yeah, in this case 4 is greater than 2 and 4 is greater than 3. Yeah. Oh my gosh. This is the case when it's a single number. Let me test with only 2 numbers. For example, 4 and 5. Okay, I think that okay, submit. Works. Oh my god. I feel as a hard problem this. I don't know why, but the key of the T solution is that try to ignore the subarray that you are sure that contains the half of the solution. Yeah, in this case, every time basically is okay. Is calculate the mid and validate. Okay, the next element is greater. Okay, please ignore between mid and left is completely ignore and move with the next. Yeah, with the rest of the subarray. Okay, let me. Okay, I will publish solution using recursion Java and I hope that the solution of the leetcode use a similar solution. Okay, one moment. What is the exercise? This. And okay, let me check the editorial, find the pick element. Yeah, the challenge here is obviously have the time complexity logarithm n, because this is linear, is so easy. Yeah, it's linear. Recursive binary search. Well, in essential is the same, but I'm not sure why here it looks like, no, it's the same, only with all the space and extra lines. mm, no, it's the same because, for example, here don't have the else because if this is not execute, is execute this, and is the no. No, it's the same. Another way to present, but it's absolutely the same. Iterative binary search. Mid it's equal is calculate mid and is okay. Okay, in this case is calculate the mid and validate. Okay, what is if the right side or the right element is greater than or mid element, r it's equal mid, and it's only move the pointer. Mm-hmm. My propose, well, I would like to try or to apply with the Manx company, but I need to improve a lot my skills with the algorithm, yeah, and even with the English. Uh, mm, yeah, in this case, let me replicate this. Oh, editorial. Okay. Okay. This is white. Yeah, I am trying. It's hard to me to remember these algorithms, but I am trying. In this case, this solution is in essential. This is L, this is right, and meanwhile L it's minor to right. Okay, mid is basically the this operation 4 plus 0 between 2, obviously here in this case is equal to, or mid is here, mid, and is validate if 4 is greater than this, this R now is here, yeah, and go again. In this case is 2 plus 0 between 2 it's equal 1, yeah, or mid is here, and mid now right is here, yeah, this is ignored in this moment, and we need ask 3 is greater than 4, no, in this case L it's equal mid plus 1 here, and in this moment L it's equal right, and it's only return the L that it's in this case the index 2. Okay, okay. let me check the Twitch. Okay. Well, I am trying to study every day. Currently, even recently, I crossed the line of the 300 a days study. Obviously, no, always I submit, because, for example, when I am checking the leetcode course, I don't spend time resolving problems. I spend time trying to understand. Okay, what is the, for example, what is the binary search? What is the graphs? What is the whatever? Yeah, and in this case, well, I don't submit any problem or any solution, but I am trying to today at this moment I have the challenge or the goal to get a new signal, yeah, for have all the modes with submit. But well, I am trying. Right now I have 261 problems solved. uh, the most are medium, yeah, next to is easy, and I only have 5 hard because it's are so complex. But yeah, this is my current progress. But yeah, and I think that for today is enough. Let me check the working robot simulation. A robot on an infinite x and y plane star at point 0 and 0 physical can receive a sequence. This sounds like it moves on the next common return the maximum. What is the clearing distance? I don't remember. Is the long end of the lines? Well, I will try more late. Okay, we complete our session.